It guarded a mountain pass, and then it vanished. High above Lake Dukan, where the Zagros mountains fracture into stone and silence, a city once kept watch. Its towers rose between empires. Its walls bore no name, and when it disappeared, no one asked why. No inscription, no ruin above ground, only geometry buried beneath barley fields. In the 1960s, a spy satellite, searching not for gods but for secrets, captured a shadow. Decades later, archaeologists opened the old film and found the outline of walls, long erased from memory. In 2017, drones confirmed it. Towers, corridors, foundations. A city the ancient world had hidden, not destroyed, forgotten. They called it Qalatga Darband, the fortress of the mountain pass. It likely rose in the years after Alexander's march in 331 BCE, carved into the land by settlers who brought gods in stone and laws in Greek. The city sprawled for 60 hectares, encircled by walls 6 meters thick, reinforced with towers. It faced the road east, a road that mattered to kings, and inside not just stone. Ritual. On a southern mound, smashed statues lay scattered. A veiled woman, a bare-limbed youth, their faces broken, their names gone. Perhaps Persephone and Adonis dragged from one world into another, or other gods, local ones never written down. The sanctuary had no altar left, just silence. Beneath the towers stood a house, part manor, part station. Its courtyards held wine presses or oil vats, tiled in a Mediterranean hand. Soldiers may have passed through here, merchants, scribes. It was a fortress, yes, but also a way station, a pulse on the road between Mesopotamia and Persia. And then the pulse stopped. There was no fire, no pillaging, no grave of conquest, only a slow unwinding. The city emptied and the roots came back. Grass pulled at the stone, water pooled in the courtyard. The road moved elsewhere. Centuries later, a coin bearing the name Orodes II was found near the wall, proof that the Parthians had come, fortified, used it, then left it. No empire stayed for long. No one carved a memory. In 2016, the British Museum returned, not just to excavate, but to teach. Iraqi archaeologists trained here, unearthing their own inheritance. Beneath the ruined towers, trowels brushed away dirt that had held its breath for 2,000 years. And yet even now, Qalatga Darband is barely a whisper. No record in any scroll, no mention in any chronicle. A fortress that watched the road and left no echo behind. It saw empires rise and said nothing when they fell.